Hello everyone, good evening to all of you. So today we going to start with a new topic that is forgetting. So let's proceed. Well, forgetting is the loss or change in information that was previously stored in short-term or long-term memory. It can occur suddenly or it can occur gradually as old memories are lost. While it is usually normal, excessive or unusual, forgetting might be a sign of a more serious problem. Forgetting refers to loss of information from long-term memory. And here is a chart of the whole process of forgetting as well as memory. So, and in next slide, there is fading. So let's discuss about fading. So fading is basically this use of information causes memory traces to slowly eradicate with time, and this process is called fading. Fading occurs rapidly from the short-term memory. Information in working memory fades away as the new incoming information is stored in the short-term memory. This form of fading is preventable by continuously focusing attention on the information and then continuous rehearsal, transfer of information to the long-term memory. Information can even fade away from long-term memory in time. What really happens is the fading of link, a way to retrieve that information. This kind of fading is also preventable by encoding information as meaningfully as possible. Frequent retrieval, actively restoring it using effective memory search strategies. Now there is interference. Interference is another cause of forgetting. General understanding of the subject suggests that information gets confused with other information in our long-term memory. Two types of interference are retroactive interference and second one is proactive interference. So what is retroactive interference? Basically retroactive interference is a mix up of previously learned information with new and similar information. It's called retroactive information. For an example, a student studies and understands the event and cause of World War One thoroughly. After a few weeks, the student studies the event and causes of World War Two. If the student then fails to remember the event and the causes of World War, this would be an example of retroactive interference. Now, proactive interference, the phenomenon where the student fails to remember new information having mixed it with similar previous information is called proactive interference. For an example, like the previous example, a student studies and understands the event and cause of World War One in that. After a few weeks, the student studies event and causes of World War Two. If the student then fails to remember the event and causes of Second World War, this would be an example of proactive interference. Now, what are memory disorders? Basically, these are the disorder which is related to memory, like amnesia, also cause forgetting. Two major types of amnesia are psychological amnesia, like disturbance in the process of encoding, storage, and retrieval causes psychological amnesia. And then there is biological amnesia, which is abnormal functioning of brain result in biological amnesia, which might be a cause of internal problems such as uneven blood flow, drugs, diseases, blow to the head, and other damages to the brain. Thank you so much for joining this session. And for more information, whatever links and whatever the links that provided down the description box, you can check it out. And if you want to connect us, there is also contact details which given below in the description. Now you can check it out and you can contact us for your queries and suggestions. You can also contact us. Thank you so much. We will meet in our next session. Bye.